Hello and welcome. Let's do a quick one. Okay. So over here we only sectioning XX. Okay. Now first thing first we must understand what is happening here. Okay. Now we're having a support there. We're having also a support of the circle at the back. Okay. But given it like that, we can see it's not a support. So the only support that we have is this guy. Okay. Which is this guy. All right. Cool. Now let's quickly go into it. So first thing first, we're gonna start by if we're opening it here, meaning that our cutting plane will hedge there at the bottom. We're not gonna hedge the support, and we're gonna come and hedge this workpiece there. Okay, cool. Now over there, meaning first thing first, we can start by changing this to line type 1. Okay, if we're changing it to line type 1, basically this line, it's what's happening between these two lines over there. Okay, so now we're also gonna go and split open the circle because we're cutting in the middle of the circles. Okay, so the circle is gonna be line type 1 as well. Okay, now again, we're also gonna come and open the circle. Okay, making the hedge to run all the way through. Now, if I'm gonna cut in the middle of this, meaning that this will be one face, right? Oops. Meaning that this will be one face and this. Now, like that. Also, these circles at the bottom, there's holes at the bottom, okay? Basically, if I'm taking away these ones will remain, but since we don't show any hidden details, so they must also go. Okay, I hope that's clear. And again, if we cut them from the bottom, meaning that this face and this face won't have an edge over there. So meaning that we come and remove them. Okay, now again, meaning that this edge must be 1. If we're having this guy, if this were different materials, then it was advisable to have that like that. But since it's one material, unless we are told, then we should have one surface. Okay. Now to understand what's happening here is like that. Now to understand what's happening here, in this case, we need a third view drawing that actually guides us as to what is happening there. Either there's a thread or it's a hole, but in this case, it's most likely to be a thread. Yes. And so, if it's a thread, uh, now we can go to hatch. We will just leave it like that. And yes. And in this case, there we have it. Done and dusted. Thank you. Bye bye.